going on, folks? Your Weekend Gardener here, and we're back in less than 2 weeks. We're back, and like I said, when I start seeing green, I was going to come in here and I was going to fertilize and I was going to add more soil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover all the green, and then when the green pops through again, I'm going to cover it again. What that's doing is potatoes will keep growing up. So if I bring it up here, I can get another space of potatoes because of these. So here's what I'm going to do. I went ahead and put some of my compost juice, whole bunch of compost worm tea. I got banana peel, a powder, and I have shrimp shells that I ground up. So that's going to be my fertilizer for this. Ooh, I can smell the shrimp. All the green has been covered. Red Norlands. Okay, get a good shot of this. Everything green has been covered up. So in about a week or less, we'll start seeing more green pop up. Then I'm going to cover it again. More green pops up. I'm going to cover it again until I reach the very rim. Once I reach the rim, I'm going to stop. Once the green pops out, then I will fertilize again. Special juice. I don't want it too soggy, but I want it to stay wet for a while. And that's all you have to do. Next to go around, I'm going to add wood ash to this. And we're done. After that, we're going to sit back and let it do its thing. Special bonus. A couple of weeks ago, you saw me use some of my liquid fertilizer that I got from my compost bin. What I did is I grabbed a heap of compost, I put it in a 5-gallon bucket, added water, and I poured it all over these. Look at the size. I've never been able to achieve this size. Look how healthy these look. Red mustard greens. Wow. Look at the elephant garlic. How much bigger it's gotten. Now remember, these were volunteers. This is exactly what I did. Last year I was growing red mustard greens over here. I let them go to seed. When they went to seed, I collected all the stalks and I just stacked them over here. And these are the volunteers that you can see me on the video. I will grab the volunteers and I planted them over there. You saw another garlic video of mine. I also put some volunteers over here on top of the garlic. Take you over here real quick. Excuse the greedy dog. He's always finding food. But in our last video, I had planted over the garlic because the garlic hadn't come up yet. But look at the garlic. It's almost time. This garlic should be ready. Today is April the 15th. This garlic should be ready maybe by the second week of May. You notice that when the leaves start turning this color and the first two drop, that's when it's time to start harvesting garlic. I know this is not a garlic video, but I just wanted to show you some of the things that I did over the winter time. And just look at it now. Once the garlic's ready to come up, I'm going to use this bed probably to put peppers in it. So peppers will be ready. The garden bed over there has lettuce, garlic, and also red mustard greens. When those come up, I'm going to go ahead and put tomatoes over in that place. The other day, just wow. When I planted those red potatoes, those potatoes over there, I don't know if you saw the background when I pointed to these 3 buckets, but let me bring you over into these 3 buckets. If you was paying attention to the background, 2 weeks ago, there was no green. 2 weeks ago, there was no green. Now, this is like a little test that I did. Each bucket has a number on it. 5, 4, and I think that says 6. What I'm trying to do is I planted 5 potatoes, 4 potatoes, 6 potatoes. At the end of the season, when these start dying off, they probably get about that high, start dying off, then I'm gonna count and see which one has the most potatoes. My money's on this one right here on the end. Actually, you know what? No, my money's on this bucket. It's gonna have the most potatoes. I am gonna throw some dirt over top of these and take it all the way up to the rim. But my money's on this one that had the most. Even though right now this has the most. This has 6, 4, 5. Thanks for watching. Peace.